Very warm welcome to all the students of class 10th. My name is Ujwal and I will be taking your maths, and the running chapter is polynomial exercise number 2b, and today I will be starting my job from question number 15 of exercise 2b. So it is given that there is a polynomial. Question number 15 is saying there is a polynomial which is equivalent to x power 4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. It is having two zeros. This polynomial is having two zeros. The first zero is alpha, it is 2, and the second zero is beta, that is minus 2. So the two zeros are given to us and we have to find out rest of the two zeros, because we know that the degree of this polynomial is 4. So this polynomial must be having four zeros. Here we are given with two zeros and we have to find out rest of the two zeros. So starting our procedure, we know that if alpha and beta are given, we can frame a quadratic polynomial. We can form a quadratic polynomial. That process says that x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. I hope you remember this procedure. We have done this in exercise number 2a, framing the quadratic polynomial. Now it is x square minus alpha is 2 plus beta is minus 2. So plus minus minus 2 x plus alpha into beta, yani 2 into minus 2. So this will become x square minus 2 minus 2 is 0 और ये x लगा हुआ है, plus into minus minus 2 to the 4. So this value is nothing, so we can leave it or we can delete it also. X square minus 4. Now we have formed a quadratic polynomial with the help of these two zeros, and we will say that this polynomial, quadratic polynomial, is a factor of this polynomial. Therefore x square minus 4 is a factor of given px. Now we are going to apply long division method. हम लोग इस x square minus 4 से given polynomial में divide करने जा रहे हैं. It is x square minus 4 से डिवाइड हो रहा है आपके x पावर 4 प्लस एक्स क्यूब minus 34x square plus 4x plus 120. So we are given with x square and we have to make it x power 4. तो at least हमें x square से multiply करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. x square into x square, it is become x power 4 and x square into minus 4, तो minus का 4x square, तो x square की टर्म के नीचे रखेंगे minus 4x square. We will go for the subtraction, negative, and this will become positive. These two will be cancelled. Plus का x power 4 minus का x power 4 cancel हो गया. Minus 34 and plus 4, तो minus 30 is left. Minus 30 x square is left. Here x cube in positive form, it is also here. X cube in positive form. And plus 4x is left and plus 120 is also left. Now we are given with x square and we have to make it x cube. तो at least one time x से हमें multiply करना पड़ेगा. तो x से हमने multiply किया, x square into x cube, x into minus 4 minus 4x. We'll go for the subtraction. प्लस माइनस ये माइनस हो जाएगा एंड दिस विल बिकम प्लस. प्लस माइनस एक्स क्यूब कैंसिल्ड. क्या क्या बच गया? माइनस 30x स्क्वायर प्लस 8x एंड प्लस 120. So we are given with here just a second. This is minus 4x. I have written here plus 4x. So this is minus 4x. Okay, and this is minus 4x. So this plus minus 4x will also be cancelled. We will be left with minus 30 and plus 120. Minus 30x square and plus 120. So we are given with x square and we have to make it minus 30x square. So we are going to multiply it with minus 30. Minus 30 into x square minus 30x square. Minus 30 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 34 is 120. Now again going for the subtraction. It is in negative. Become positive and this positive will become negative. Minus 30x square plus 30x square cancelled and plus 120 and minus 120 are also cancelled. The remainder is 0. So we have obtained x square plus x minus 30 as our gx. Sorry, quotient qx. So we will be factorizing this one also. Qx equals to x square plus x minus 30. मिडिल टर्म की स्प्लिटिंग करेंगे. हियर वी नीड 1. इस 1 के ऐसे दो हिस्से करने हैं जिनको ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर हमें प्लस का 1 मिल जाए और उन्हीं दोनों पार्ट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे वी शुड गेट minus 30. तो 6 and 5. 6 minus 5 करेंगे we will get 1. 6 into minus 5 करेंगे we will get minus 30. x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30. See this 6x minus 5x is plus x and 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. We are making pair over here. यहाँ से फर्स्ट पेयर में हमारे पास x कॉमन है तो this will become x plus 6 और सेकेंड पेयर में minus 5 कॉमन है. Again it will become x plus 6. So we are having x plus 6 as common. Then other bracket will be having x minus 5. Now if we say if x plus 6 is equal to 0, therefore x equals to minus 6. Or we can say that if x minus 5 is equal to 0, therefore x equals to 5. Therefore these are the two other zeros. The other zeros are minus 6 and 5. So this is the entire procedure. जो दो जीरोस अल्फा बीटा हमें शुरू में दिए हुए थे हमने उनसे एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल बनाया. उस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल से इस px में डिवाइड किया. वी हैव गॉट द कोशिएंट. इस कोशिएंट को भी मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग से फैक्टराइज करके हमने दो जीरोस और ऑब्टेन कर लिए. सो कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Let us move on to the 16th one. Come on to the 16th question. Question number 16 is saying that there are two zeros of a polynomial. Again, the same question is repeated here. The polynomial is given to us. It is saying that x power 4 plus x cube minus 23x square minus 3x plus 60 and the two zeros are alpha is √3, beta is minus √3. So the entire procedure, I hope you have gone through. Question number 15, same thing was there, and 16 I'm going to solve it for you. We know that if alpha and beta are given, we can frame a quadratic polynomial by the procedure x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is the methodology of framing a polynomial if two zeros are given. So put the values of alpha and beta. Alpha is √3, beta is minus √3. X square minus alpha is √3, beta is minus √3, so minus plus minus √3x plus alpha into beta, that means alpha is √3 minus √3. This will become x square minus √3 minus √3 will become 0. X plus into minus minus √3 into √3 only 3. Therefore the polynomial is x square minus 3. Now we are going to divide this x square, divide this polynomial with the help of x square minus 3. Apply long division method. x square minus 3 से divide कर रहे हैं अपने polynomial x power 4 plus x cube minus 23 x square minus 3x plus 60 plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, fine. Now we are having x square and we have to make it x power 4. For this we have to multiply x square with our x square. X square into x square, x power 4. X square into minus 3, minus 3x square. तो x square की टर्म के ठीक नीचे रखेंगे. Minus and plus. This will be cancelled. X cube is left with us. Minus 23 and plus 3. So minus 20 is left. Minus 20 x square is left. Minus 3x and plus 6. Now we are having x square and we have to make it x cube. Then we have to multiply it with plus x. X into x square, it will become x cube. X into minus 3, minus 3x. See, again we are going for the subtraction. This will be negative and this will become positive because ये sign negative का है. Subtraction के लिए जाएंगे तो sign opposite हो जाते हैं. Plus minus x cube plus minus 3x cancelled. What is left with us? Minus 20x square and plus 6. Minus 20x square plus 6 is left with us. I'm sorry, here 60 is there. This is 60. The question is saying this is 60. By mistake I was writing just 6 over there. So we are left with minus 20x square plus 60. We are given with x square and we have to make it minus 20x square. For that we have to multiply this x square with minus 20. Minus 20 से हमने multiply किया. This will become minus 20 into x square minus 20x square. And minus 20 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 23 is 60. Subtraction के लिए जाएंगे. This will become positive क्योंकि negative है और positive वाला negative हो जाएगा. Plus minus 20x square and plus minus 60 is also cancelled. So remainder is 0. We have obtained our quotient. This is the important thing and we have to deal with this quotient now. The quotient is saying that it is x square plus x minus 20. मिडिल टर्म की स्प्लिटिंग करने जा रहे हैं. मिडिल टर्म में हमारे पास यहाँ पे 1 रखा हुआ है. इस 1 को दो ऐसे फैक्टर्स करने हैं या पार्ट्स करने हैं जिनको ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो हमें फिर से 1 मिल जाए और जिनको मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो हमें minus 20 मिल जाए. We know that 5 4s are 20. 5 minus 4 1. So x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. We have formed two groups over here. The first group given us x as common. This is x plus 5, and the second group given minus 4 as common, x plus 5. So take out this x plus 5 as common. So in the other bracket we will be having x minus 4. Now say if x plus 5 is equal to 0, therefore our x will be minus 5. Or we can say that if x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x will be equals to 4. So other zeros are, देखिए शुरुआत में आपको बताया गया था कि दो जीरो √3 और -√3 है, और शुरुआत में हम लोगों ने यही बात किया था कि भाई ये पावर 4 का पॉलिनोमियल है, तो इसके पास 4 जीरोज होने चाहिए. दो हमारे सामने गिवन थे, दो जीरो जो है वो ये आ गए हमारे पास. अदर 2 zeros are -5 and 4. So this is the entire concept for exercise number 2B. I hope you are doing this exercise in your classwork copy, because I have given related homework also. That also you have to do in your classwork copy, as well as PDF's question that has to be done in the same copy. So we are now overing this exercise, moving towards exercise number 2C. The complete methodology I have given to you, and I hope you can do rest of the questions. 2 or 3 questions are there that I have given you in your homework. So let us come on to the exercise number 2C. Question number 1. Question number 1 in exercise number 2C is saying that there is a polynomial which is standing for x square minus 4x plus 1, और इसका एक जीरो दिया गया. That means we are given with alpha is 2 plus √3, and we need to find out बीटा. हम लोगों को इसका बीटा फाइंड आउट करना है. सो आवर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल इज ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. ये हम लोगों को पता है. Therefore we can say that a equals to 1. x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट a, x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 1. b equals to -4, x का कोफिशिएंट b, और x का कोफिशिएंट -4, b is -4. c is equal to 1. We know that अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस b अपॉन a के इक्वल होता है. Now we are having our alpha with us. We don't have beta. We have to find out the beta. Alpha is 2 plus √3 and plus beta equals to minus, फॉर्मूले का माइनस जो था वो मैंने लगा दिया, b की वैल्यू -4, तो दिस विल बिकम +4 अपॉन a की वैल्यू 1. दैट मीन्स 2 plus √3 plus beta equals to 4. Now I am going to transpose this 2 and √3 both. We need the value of beta, so I am leaving this beta alone. Beta equals to, ये 4 तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव में था, as it is रहेगा. This 2 will be coming with negative sign, 4 minus 2. This √3 will also be coming on to the other side with negative sign, so minus √3. Therefore our beta equals to 4 minus 2 किया, we will get 2 and minus √3. This is the value of beta we have obtained from the given question x square minus 4x plus 1, where alpha was given and we were supposed to find out our beta. So students, just start exercise 2C also in your class of copies. I have done question number 1 for you people, and we will be continuing this exercise until it is finished. By the time 1 or 2 examples, just go through 1 or 2 examples of this exercise 2C also. Just see the methodology what they are following. By the time, best of luck to all of you. We will meet tomorrow same time. Till then, take care.